Hi everyone, my name's Vic Lightfoot. I'm with SparkBC. I got a bit of a tip here for you folks. You field safety representatives, sometimes we get a little tempted toward the end of a project not to turn in the final paperwork. What's that going to do for you? Well, for one, it's not going to close your permit out. And there's a possibility that you're going to end up having an expired permit. It's important to turn in that final declaration after you've inspected the site, inspected the work, and ensure that everything is in compliance with the Act and the regulations, the code. Once that has been accomplished and you've turned in that final declaration, that now allows for opportunity of the safety officer to be able to audit your work and for the permit to be actually closed out.